So this was a pretty large module, but you learned a lot about navigation and routing. You learned how to add tabs, how to implement that forward-backward navigation with different approaches, how to use that nav controller, how to open a modal which is not loaded through the Angular router but still occupies a significant part of the space. On mobile, the entire view. On web, it's a part of the page. There we get this nice looking modal out of the box, which is also pretty nice that we got the right styling for different device sizes without us needing to do anything. You learned how to pass data around in your modal, and you also learned how to add such a side drawer so that you can switch to different parts in your application, log out, and also have the right behavior of that menu depending on where you click what. These are all core tools you will need in any application you're building with Ionic and Angular. You'll need tabs and or a side menu and definitely that forward-backward navigation. So these are things you definitely have to know and understand, which is why I spend a lot of time on this module. Now we will move on. We'll work more on the different components we can use, how we can configure them, how we can make them look good, and we'll gradually add more and more logic to the application.